Good morning, my lovely people. Welcome. Today on the menu will be curry chicken, Jamaican curry chicken. So, guys, my chicken is over here being soaked in lemon and vinegar water for about 15 minutes. I'm about to season my chicken and cook it up for you. So here, guys, I already have my vegetables cut up. This is large Irish potatoes and my carrots, green pepper, red bell pepper, 2 hot Scotch bonnet pepper, about 4 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, those small pieces, some rosemary, some thyme, and an onion. I have jerk seasoning. Have some oil, have a little seasoning, onion, also some curry powder. And my curry powder, I mix both Jamaican style curry and ground turmeric to give me that rich and nice flavor. Alright, so here we go. So now I have to wash my bowl. Putting on a fresh pair of gloves because my hand is going to be kneading those seasonings in my chicken. Alright, nice and clean and fresh. So, 1 pocket of my vegetable goya. Onion powder. Okay. 1 tablespoon of that. All-purpose. It's about 3 pounds of chicken. I'm gonna put some curry powder. I'm gonna burn some oil. Now I have my pimento, which I'm gonna crush out. That's a pimento going in. Also, I put a tablespoon of seasoning on. I'm gonna rub it. garlic. I'm gonna burn the rest in the oil. This is the garlic. Up your fingers. Okay. So I'm gonna add in my seasoning. Then I'm gonna put a little Lawry's season salt. My curry seasoning, my curry chicken. Guys, this is my curry. This is how it looks. Now I'm gonna burn some curry in the pot along with some onions, a few pieces of garlic, a little green bell pepper, and also the hot pepper. I'm gonna cover this for a little bit. Tablespoon of my olive oil in my pot. I'm going to put my seasoning in. Turn my flame down. These are some of the leftover seasoning that I left, which is some of the rosemary some of the rosemary, the 2 peppers, hot peppers, some of the onions, and the green bell pepper, also the garlic. Now I'm gonna put some, at least a tablespoon of curry in the oil. Okay, the curry going in. I'm gonna burn the oil. Put some more oil. Get that curry. The curry in the oil. Afterwards, you put your chicken in. Give it about a minute. So the garlic is being cooked out, and now you can smell all that aroma coming from all these seasonings. And now it's time for me to put the curry chicken in. Here you go. Now I'm going to catch a little bit of water and pour around the edge of my pot and allow this to cook. I'm going to allow this to cook properly because curry is no joke. Alright, it has to cook really properly. probably, so maybe 45 minutes more than likely. Alright, I want it to cook really good, soft and nice. So guys, this is it. I'll come back and check it in another 15 minutes. Alright, I have it on medium heat. I'm gonna cover it. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. I'm gonna put all the way down. Then I add some water to it. You'll see. Then I put in all the vegetables. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 45 minutes. And I still want it to cook some more. Okay? I'm gonna cook it for another 5 minutes, then put the vegetables in. And then it's gonna cook all the way down slowly. Look at that. Now I put in my vegetables. I'm gonna put a little bit more water. The meat is very tender. I'm just gonna put a little, about half a cup of water, so that it steams the potatoes and carrots. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs. Stir it in. This is my carrot chicken. Another 2 minutes and it's done. The potatoes will be done. Chicken is finished, and I'm going to turn my flame off. Now guys, this is the finished curry chicken. It can be served with rice, dumplings, green bananas, or whatever, salad, anything you want. Guys, if you like my recipe, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, or share. Sharing is caring. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!